Today I show you how to fold your underwear for packing so it takes the least amount of space in your backpack or in your luggage, in your suitcase. Let's check it. This is how you can fold your underwear. It's up to you actually how many times you fold it. You can really fold it once and that's good enough, and you can have them on top of each other, or you can fold it twice like this. This is also fine if you're packing, if you have them in a bag. But if you have them in a small bag, it's even better. You can fold them 3 times like that. It's very compact. You can keep them together with the socks. So you can have underwear and socks together. And it's very saving space. So really, it's up to you how you fold them. I don't think there is any right way or wrong way for underwear. As long as they are inside, they're the right side out. Outside is correctly in outside. The inside is inside. How to say it? Also, there is another option where you can actually roll the underwear, but here I showed you it's a little bit. It's okay, I guess, but it's better if you start with the underwear inside out, I believe. But maybe it's okay. But I will explain why I mean this. So you could have the underwear packed, folded, but then you start rolling it. So here if it was inside out, you could do the same like I'm doing now, and you can actually make the pocket the same way I showed you with the t-shirt. You can have your underwear rolled like this, but because if it was inside out at the beginning, now it will be the correct side. The outside will be towards the outside now, how to say it. So yeah, you can roll the underwear, but I think folding it two times or 3 times is good enough if you have them in your bag. But if you want to make sure that they fall and they don't come loose, you can also roll your underwear the same way as you can roll a t-shirt. Yeah, this is also an option. This is how you pack your underwear to use the minimum amount of space and to save the maximum amount of space. Thanks for watching. And this is how you prepare your underwear. This is how you pack your underwear to save the